What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys seen the video yesterday, man. You guys know we almost got that silver thing ready, man. You guys seen we picked up the parts for the red bike. So, man, today it is time to pretty much get that red bike complete. Now, I got to switch out the chrome lowers, pretty much the whole front end today. My thing is I'm going to try to get these legs off today. If I can get them off myself, I'm going to take them down to BBV, have them switch out the lowers and all that stuff, come back, put them on, get that whole front end tidied up and complete, so we'll be that much closer to completing this bike. Now, we are waiting on the rims still, but like I said, it's a chrome wheel, so that takes a lot longer than powder coated rims. So hopefully any day, man, we'll have those things back, man. But if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, I appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for that 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. But without further ado, man, let's pull this thing out and get it going out, shall we? Alrighty, guys, so we got this thing set up on the jack. Man, I haven't pulled this thing out in a while. It definitely looks great. Can't wait. We can unravel our parts and see what we're doing right now real quick. But it does seem pretty simple. Now, the bars, seems like if we get out like these two bolts right here, one right here, and then on the opposite side, we'll be able to take this long silver chrome piece out and then put some regular risers in there so we can get some real bars on there. But that's just a thought. Let me know what y'all think so far, man. We're gonna get it cracking though. When I tell y'all, the last time I tried a job like this, it was never this easy, man. That's why I like working on the newer bikes a whole lot more. Man, 4 screws and this thing was out. No hassle, no hard work. Just pretty simple. So now we can get those cups on here, those red cups, start bringing that thing to life. We'll open up our lowers right now so we can check them out. So here we got our chrome lowers. These things are gonna turn this bike all the way around. Can't wait. But meanwhile, let's put these cups on here, at least the red ones, and see how they look at night. So we got our fork sliders on there. Thing is coming together a little bit more. Can't wait. Can't wait. Really think I'm gonna go find these risers because I really prefer some regular bars on here. But now that we know how to get to it, I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. So we'll finish putting this front end together and get that situated when we get done. But now that we got that stuff on, we got to take these up to BBV and get these lower switched. Now, my boy Dre showed me how to do this. However, I still don't feel that confident like pro status, because then you're going to have to fill it up with fluid and everything after you take it out. And I'm just not one of those fluid type of guys, man. So we're going to take these to BBV today and get those swapped out. Shouldn't take that long. So we should have this thing back on the ground today. So we'll see, man, what y'all think about it so far. Let your boy know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we are pulling up to BBV. About to see if we can get these fork legs switched out. I believe they can get it switched out in the nick of time. So I'm gonna have some faith Gonna get these out real quick and we'll get right back. So we just pulled up to BBV. They got a whole new collage for us, man. Let's see what they got in here. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you. Oh, dang. That's like something from like the 50s type.
This is from World War II.
And it's physically two-wheel drive.
Wow.
So this is pulling two.
Wow, that's nuts. That thing is crazy. That looks pretty neat, man.
You can look it up on YouTube. There's some guys that did some YouTube video out here. Who did a tour in Vegas.
Yeah.
You see, they could be like.
They was taking it through the dirt and everything.
Yeah, they're taking it through the dirt. There's also videos on YouTube. The scene was like halfway submerged in water. It's like,
oh wow.
It's still running. They're just out.
Yeah.
I've done some reviews on it.
Damn.
On YouTube. Reviews are pretty.
Yeah, this thing is crazy.
One. This dude, he was in Alaska. He's an ex-military guy.
Yeah.
He pulled it folded up the other way. He had a little grill back here.
Oh, it had a whole little cookout, so you can actually sit somebody in this part.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
You just gotta make wider turns when you.
Wow.
You play with,
That's nuts, man. I don't even know how to start to ride one of these. I feel like it'll be like type weird. I don't know. What size motor is on there? Do you know?
I can't
No?
remember.
Is it pretty quick though? Or is it pretty subtle for what it is?
Subtle for what it is. I think they go about 55 miles an hour to
Okay.
65 miles an hour. You may want to.
So it's no gears then. It's all auto.
I think it does have gears, doesn't it? That's one I checked out in Iowa, dude.
Yeah.
I don't work here. Dude.
Oh, okay. Nah.
But
I just thought you knew about it because I'm like, shit, I ain't never seen it.
Yeah, I've done research. So there's your brake, and then right here's your gears.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Oh, yeah, it's got a few gears on there, I guess.
Here. You could park your lady here, take your kid on there.
Yeah, nah, that's pretty dope.
You got a tank here, and then you got your show, so you can.
Oh, wow.
These things are pretty. You know what? Like I said.
Nah, that's pretty high tech.
Very
Let me see.
reliable.
All right, man. So as y'all see, BBV got a whole lot of remodeling going on. So it's gonna take a couple days to get the forks situated, man. So we're gonna see if our buddies over at Harley can get us right real quick. If not, we'll just have to pretty much wait, I guess. Like I can do it myself, but I really just don't feel that comfortable. All right, we didn't pull it up to Harley as much as I know they're gonna probably either hit me over the head or say they don't have the time. Still gotta check it out and see what's up. All right, so luckily we hear so often. My guy's gonna get us right. So he said just bring them in. We should have them back today. So that'll be dope. Harley's gonna put these together. Can't wait. Get these out the way. Now we trying to see what's up with these bars and how to get it back to regular bars. So we're gonna see what's up. Then we come out and see the guy that used to tow our bikes and stuff. My dog Stu. That's dope. That's funny. I have to hit him up for a tow in so long. We used to call him all the time, man. Hey man, I need a tow. Now we good now, dog. All right, so we got our part numbers. We're gonna try to put this together and get some different bars on there, man. Alrighty, so that was fast, man. Harley and called us back. It's time to go pick up our fork legs. So let's go see what these things is looking like with that chroming and get those things put back on the bike, man. Got our chrome forks there, ready to go. It's gonna make that Road King look a whole lot better now. I can't wait, man. Now we back at the crib. We got our chrome legs. We can throw them things on there now, man. So we're gonna set y'all up before we get overheating this garage and try to get this thing going. On with our color match sliders, and they both pretty much match up. I put like, I don't know if you guys seen in the video, but I had a Sharpie line on each one so I could see like where it was even. They kind of knocked the lines off, but luckily we still had a little bit there to see exactly where it goes. But got it all tidied up, good to go. Everything should be good now. Now we do have our wraparound fender we are putting on this bike. However, I don't think this fender will fit with that stock wheel. We're waiting on our 21-inch chrome wheel to be done. A whole set is coming for this bike, so just waiting on that. But meanwhile, we can probably drop this thing off the stand and or rather start putting the front end back together. Now I am going to get some bars for this bike. However, everything at Harley is like, they don't even have it in stock. So I'm trying to find it on eBay as we speak. Definitely want to put it back together though and see how it looks meanwhile. So let's see what we could do. Alrighty guys, we have got this thing pretty much complete. A few little things. And when I say little, I mean little, like there's a bezel that goes around this part. I think I threw it away because it was bent up on this side. So I tossed that. So pretty much got to find another ring really quick. I might have one over there in the stack. Got to check it out. But definitely got to find a ring for that so we can fit this on here flush and snug. And that thing will look that much better. As for the bars, we're going to be waiting. We're going to be figuring out all that stuff. We're going to order the stuff we need and then get the wheels and all that good stuff. Wanted to just put it together just so we can have all the parts out the way and just start clearing this garage of all these boxes and so many parts and whatnot. But it is looking pretty good, man. Let me know what you guys think about it. What you guys think about it so far. I am digging it. Those chrome lowers on that thing look so good. I just wish we had that chrome wheel right now so we could put the front wraparound on it and then pretty much just complete the bike. All right, y'all, we done got this thing pulled out in the sun. Y'all can see it a little bit better. Does look a whole lot better with those color match front like cups and just nozzle and bezel and everything. Looks so good. I really can't wait to get those wheels on it, man. That thing is going to literally set the whole tone for this bike, man. So if y'all haven't entered the giveaway, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Now we are missing a few parts up here, which we'll be getting, but definitely coming together. I'm happy now, man. Can't wait. We just need the risers and stuff for those bars, and we can get the bars swapped out. So what y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Now y'all know we ain't started this bike in forever. Pretty sure the battery may be dead, but if it's not, it will turn over. Let's see. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, dog. This thing turned right over. Now, when we started it the very first time, we did blow a fuse. So that's why this headlight isn't working, because when we first plugged it up to the battery cables, that light was working. So we blew a fuse for that headlight. Got to figure out which one it is so we can get that thing back on and working. However, I still think I want to get a different headlight because this one is kind of like basic. So might get like a little halo ring or something nice and decent. But y'all see it here first, man. This thing is ready to go. Started right up after weeks of just sitting. So it is ready to slide, man. I can't wait. Just waiting for these wheels, man. And this thing is going to be on the road, dog. What y'all think, man? So, alrighty, guys. It's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I definitely appreciate it. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, man. So, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. Definitely appreciate you guys. Without you guys, none of this will be possible, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King that you've seen here today, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. The hats are limited, guys, so make sure you go over there and copy yours if you are interested in winning a 2018 Road King, man. That thing is looking nice. Like I said previous times, man, I can't wait for the wheels to come, man. That thing is literally gonna set that bike off. So hopefully, man, they hurry up and we can get those on the bike. Meanwhile, we did get some more parts in for our 2020 here, so we will be swapping out those parts here shortly. Gotta throw some stuff in the powder coat. But if you guys haven't, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. And guys, I did just order the stuff for the bars and the 16-inch handlebars, so those T-bars will be coming off.